Alright, so here's the modeling of the we do in my first lesson class when we go over the 5 W's of a news article. And the example I got is from Scholastic News. Take pictures, leave only footprints. Our Earth is a beautiful place, and how can you keep it that way? So then I'd interact with the class, a couple of questions about what they think the news story is going to pertain, and they say maybe the animals like the woodpecker here, or the environment. So then we'll go into reading the story. Respect Mother Nature. When you're out in the nature, you're visiting plants and animals in their home. Here are 4 ways to be respectful of nature. Take only pictures. You're out on a hike and you see a tree with cool bumpy bark, and you'd love to peel a piece off and take it home with you. No big deal, right? Wrong. That bark is an important part of the tree. It took the tree a long time to grow. Leave that bark alone. It's best not to take anything with you. Every rock, leaf, and flower you see belongs to the forest. If you see something you like, take a photo. Then you can look at it whenever you want. Leave only footprints. You brought a granola bar into the woods with you. Now you're done with it. You want to toss the wrapper on the ground and get on with your hike. Think again. An animal could eat the wrapper and get sick. And who wants to look at your dirty trash on the ground? If you brought it into the woods, you can bring it back out with you and be responsible. You pack up your trash. The only things you should leave are your footprints in the dirt. Let the animals be. Look, 2 fuzzy raccoons are in that tree. They look soft. Can you pet them? Nope. Wild animals are not pets. Do not touch them or get too close. You might scare them, and they might hurt you. And that's not a good idea to share your snacks with them, even if you think they're hungry. Animals can find their own food. People food can make them sick. You're in the animal's home, so let them be. You can come back and visit anytime. Finally, follow the trail. You're walking along a trail and it's boring. You'd rather explore and take a fun shortcut through the bushes. It's not a good idea. The trail is safe, but the land around it might be slippery or dangerous. Also, a lot of tiny plants and animals live around the trail. If you start stomping around the woods, you might step on something and hurt it. The trail helps keep all the wonderful things in the woods safe. And they keep you safe too. So now what I would do with the students is refer to the 5 W's chart. The who, what, where, when, why. And throughout this lesson, I would actually incorporate the how to get the students engaged and kind of thinking further about the article and what they can do for the environment. So we would put the chart up on the board and say, for the who, it's you. And the what would be to respect Mother Nature on the planet Earth. And for the why, well, to keep the planet Earth clean and not litter or pollute. For the when, that can be as of today or any time you go outside hiking or camping. And then the where, obviously, is Earth, any parks that you go to, anywhere you visit that's outside. And so now for the how, you can think about it in a little different picture. Like, you can recycle, you need to be responsible, like the article stated, you don't feed the animals, and then you can just take pictures so you don't disrupt their surroundings. So that's the model portion of what I would do. I would turn the students on their own to select an article of their choice that they want to read and fill out the 5 W's as well.